position. Alam niyo po yun. Hindi ko pinapangarap na maging chairman dito. I'm just doing my job. So I just needed to lay that on the basis para hindi na issue yon kung bakit ako nag-hearing, kung bakit tayo may hearing today. I have a longer speech, but because of the events that have transpired, I want to give the floor to the Senate President, and then I will turn this over to the subcommittee chairman, Senator Marcoleta. I have already issued a letter to him. Later on, babasahin ko. Nasa karapatan ko din po yun as chairman of the committee. Kine-question din yun nung sinabi ni Senate President na magkakaroon ng subcommittee. Napakaliwanag din sa rules namin. The chairman can create any subcommittee anytime. It can be verbal, it can be written, it can be text. Lahat na ng versions na yun, ginawa ko. So valid po itong pag-create din natin ng subcommittee. In any case, nandito din po ako. Pero may hearing din po akong isa tungkol sa taxation. Baka mamaya kailangan ko din sunduin sa baba yung mga mag-hearing ng mga kasama kong resource person for taxation. Anyway, I will give the floor to the Senate President. Thank you.
Katotohanan, basis ng ating paniniwala sa Diyos, basis ng ating paniniwala sa isa't isa sa lipunan na to, basis ng ating 1987 Constitution ay katotohanan. Let's start out and make it this very clear. This is not against the administration. This is not for the administration. This is not for any political party. I ran in 2022